Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how to close games that won't close in Windows 8, 7, 10, etc. So before we start, I just want to say subscribe to my channel and do that right now and we can start. So basically this is gonna be an easy and a quick tutorial, and all you want to do is just right click on the taskbar and open Task Manager. Okay, so now once it's open, you want to find the game that you want to close. So for example, Fortnite, and what you want to do is right click on it and click on End Task, and that's it. If the taskbar is also frozen and you can't open it, I'm gonna show you another way to open the Task Manager, and that is by pressing Ctrl Alt Delete, and now just click on Task Manager, and there it is. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like and comment.